Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for a US bank credit card step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the official US bank website. Look for the credit cards section on the home page. Click on it to view the available credit card options. Review the various types of credit cards offered. Select the card that best suits your financial needs. Once you've made your choice, click on the card for more details. Read the card benefits, terms, and conditions carefully. At the bottom of the card details page, find the Apply Now button. Click on the Apply Now button to start the registration process. You will be directed to the application form. Fill in your personal information, including your name and address. Enter your social security number for identity verification. Provide your date of birth and income information. Make sure all details are accurate to avoid processing delays. Review your entries before moving on to the next step. Choose how you would like to receive your account information. Continue to the next section of the application. Provide any necessary information regarding your employment status. If applicable, input your employer's name and contact details. Review the card's terms and conditions one last time. Check the box to agree to them. Proceed to the final stage of the application. Submit your application by clicking the designated button. Wait for a confirmation message or email regarding your application status. If approved, follow any additional steps provided by US Bank. Once you receive your card, activate it to start using it. Monitor your account regularly through the US Bank app or website. Congratulations, you are now registered for a US Bank credit card. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.